Once you are logged into DigitalOcean, you need to click the green button and choose Droplets to create a droplet. Select Ubuntu. Now select 1 GB. Scroll down and select a server data center location. Here I'm using New York. Scroll down further. Now give the VPS a sensible and meaningful host name. Finally, click the green Create button to create your new VPS. Once it's done, DigitalOcean will email you a password to give you root access to the VPS. You need the IP address to connect, so click Copy. There are also further options on the right to do various other things. If you didn't receive a password by email, you can request a new one by clicking the Reset Root Password button. It will show a banner saying the root password has been reset and emailed to you. Now go back and copy the IP address if you didn't before.